Amakhosi asememezele ukufika komgadli oshaya amagoli kuphela. Kaizer Chiefs have announced the signing of Portuguese striker Flavio Silva from Persebaya Surabaya. The Guinea-Bissau-born player will wear jersey number 27. Player announcements. We are pleased to announce the signing of Portuguese striker Flavio Silva from Persebaya Surabaya in Indonesia. Welcome to the family. Nawa-ke ama-stats akhe-ke lo mdlali khona laphayana-ke kwi-Indonesia Liga 1. 78 games played, 39 goals scored and 7 assists. Kusho kona ukuthi amakhosi athola yena-ke umgadli osezingeni eliphezulu futhi kongcono kakhulu kunaye-ke uChivaviro benaye-ke uMorris.